Welcome to episode number 7 of the Trust Wallet tutorial series, where I'll guide you through connecting your digital assets to DeFi platforms. In this video, I'll demonstrate using Trust Wallet with PancakeSwap, but the steps are similar for other DeFi applications. To get started, go to pancakeswap.finance and click on Connect Wallet on the DeFi platform. Keep in mind that if you have multiple wallet extensions in your browser, they might complete to open. Ensure the Trust Wallet is your priority and disable other wallets extensions. Once you click on the Trust Wallet logo, you'll see this QR code on the right. Simply open up your phone camera and scan the code. You'll be automatically transferred to the Trust Wallet app. Here you have to click on Connect. The web page updates automatically. If you want to perform actions like swapping, trading, buying, or selling crypto, go to the Trade menu and select the Swap submenu. Make sure you have a sufficient balance in your Trust Wallet for the transaction on PancakeSwap. Let's say we want to swap BNB from PancakeSwap for USDT in your Trust Wallet. Enter the desired amount, click Swap, and then confirm the transaction. That's it.